What's going up, all you real ones? Welcome back to the channel. It is good to have you here tonight. I am glad we are spending some time together. So, if it has been a minute since you got the chance to hang out with someone, well, hey, you can hang out with me for just a little bit tonight and we can kind of, make it do what it do. Well, tonight I am going to talk about NFTs and I want to talk about how amazing these things are, but I'm going to take it back to the basics real quick. And I'm going to break everything down so that if you're a little new, you're going to be able to follow along and kind of get a better idea in tonight's video about unleashing the power of NFTs, the future of digital ownership. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, have been making waves in the world of digital assets and blockchain technology. In the past few years, we've seen headlines about NFT sales fetching millions of dollars, from digital arts to tweets to sports collectibles. But what are NFTs and why are they causing such a stir? Well, in this video, we'll explore the benefits of NFTs and how they're poised to shape the future of digital ownership. First, let's define what an NFT is. Simply put, an NFT is a unique digital asset that is stored on the blockchain. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which are fungible, meaning that one unit is interchangeable with another, NFTs are non-fungible, meaning each unit can't be replaced by another. See, this uniqueness is what gives NFTs their value as collectors and enthusiasts seek to own one-of-a-kind digital items. But one of the biggest benefits of NFTs is the ability to verify ownership and authenticity. See, in the past, it was very easy to copy or distribute digital content without permission or compensation for the original creator. NFTs allow creators to attach ownership information to their digital creations, making it clear who the rightful owner is. This opens up new possibilities for artists and musicians and other creators to monetize their work and receive royalties for each subsequent sale or use. Another benefit of NFTs is the potential for new forms of creative expression. See, with the ability to create unique digital assets that are variably one of a kind, creators are exploring new ways to push the boundaries of what is even possible. So, from immersive virtual reality experiences to interactive digital art installations, the possibilities are endless. NFTs also have the potential to revolutionize the world of gaming and esports. By creating unique in game items that can be traded or sold as NFTs, players can build and trade their digital assets like they would have physical items in the real world. This creates new revenue streams for game developers and opens up new possibilities for players to earn money through gaming. Finally, NFTs have the potential to change the world, the way we think about like ownership and value. See, in a world where more and more of our lives lived online is becoming increasingly important to have a way to verify ownership and value of digital assets, right? See, NFTs provide a way to do that. And then in this process may shift our collective understanding of what has value and why it has value. So, in conclusion, NFTs represent a significant shift in the world of digital ownership by creativity. See, by providing a way to verify ownership and authenticity of digital assets, NFTs open up new possibilities for creators to monetize their work and for collectors to own one of a kind digital items. See, as the world becomes NFTs and digital, they're poised to play an incredible important role in the shaping of the future of ownership and value. See, another thing that you can do with NFTs is when you're talking about ownership and value, if you start associating things that we already have in life, like titles. I'll give you an example. Your car has a title when you pay it off, and you own the car by the car's title. Well, an NFT is in a sense, kind of like a digital title. That could be same for true for real estate. So when you go to buy and sell your house, you could become and create, as of right now, your home into an NFT. And whenever you want to buy or sell the home, that NFT transfers along with the home, or it shows the original store of value. See, NFT is going to open up whole new avenues of things that we haven't even really thought of yet. But there are so many things coming down the line that you would not normally think of. Say, for an example, like hospital records. When you go to one hospital, you go to another hospital, you go to another hospital. There's no way of really knowing every single thing that happens from each and every hospital. But with the blockchain technology and an NFT, you could, in a sense, have an NFT that is all of your records all in one place that could function so that any doctor anywhere in any kind of emergency situation or any kind of normal visit would be able to do the research on everything that's ever happened to you, and all of your information could be all stored in one place. That could be a potential example of how an NFT could completely benefit you and change your life. See, NFTs have the ability to do all of these unique things, and as more and more things become available and as technology grows, the use cases for NFTs continues to grow as well. So having a right of ownership or a digital way of a store of value, NFTs just have so many use cases and things that we're going to see in practical every single day life. Say you have like a driver's license, for an example. You can certainly make a driver's license, which should be unique strictly to you as an individual, as an NFT, or things like passports. A passport could be a way of identifying that makes sure that it's valid, that you are one of ones. In the future, we're not going to be carrying physical passports. We're going to have digital NFTs, meaning it's one of one. So your passport can never be created by a duplicate of any kind. So NFTs are amazing. They are certainly the future. You can see them taking off in the art industry. So if somebody wants to paint a physical painting, they can create a digital NFT of that physical painting, so that way they can keep the painting and the NFT together. So when somebody buys or sells the NFT, the painting and NFT go to whoever that owner is. It also gives the artist way of earning income off that NFT for a creator fee for the rest of their lives, or for the rest of their whole career, or being able to potentially pass that down through their children. So something that they did, that beautiful digital art, could honestly pass through generations of family with the proper NFT. Now, with blockchain technology, more and more use cases keep coming out on how they can revolutionize everything from cross-border payments like XRP, making it so that you can do payments from overseas instantaneously, or down to something more in our everyday lives, like potentially buying a cup of coffee or going out and getting some food, things of that nature. All of these things are going to start to come down the line, where we're going to have all of these things that blockchain technology can do to change our lives and hopefully change it for the better. Now, one of the most important things about that blockchain technology and NFTs, making them unique digital assets, is that it just opens up doors of opportunity for the future generations, and it allows us to have an incredible record that cannot be changed or not created. It's in there permanently. Once it is stored on the blockchain, it is there forever. So it gives us a great way to have history and be able to keep track of history, because as things get stored on the blockchain itself, it is pretty much there for us to ever go back and find out. So it is pretty amazing, all of the things in technology that are going on in today's age. If you are unaware of Web3 technology and you are not very savvy on the internet, well, there is going to be ways in the future that you may be able to learn by just picking up your phone and doing that little extra research. Now you're going to start to get a better idea of what's coming down the line. So don't be afraid of Web3 technology. Just get yourself educated. People get afraid of things that they don't know. I don't know how to use this. I get nervous because I don't understand this. And that is absolutely normal. The people who are starting to take advantage of this stuff now are learning these things now. And if learning Web3 technology is something that you would like to do, then I would suggest you go ahead and click the link below, attend one of our Saturday Live webinars, where we talk about things like Web 2 and Web 3 technology, where we kind of help people get through things like having your own digital wallet, like a MetaMask or a Trust Wallet or a Coinbase wallet, along with having other digital wallets that could be offline wallets like a Ledger Nano X, and so on and so forth. So I hope you guys found this information informational, that it was somewhat educational, all right? And we want to go ahead and get yourselves signed up for the classes because it is free to attend. And the quicker that you learn this stuff, the quicker that you're going to get ahead on the future of what's coming down the line and what is actually already here. I'd also suggest you guys, if you haven't been on Twitter, get on Twitter because that is one of the best places for NFTs. And it's one of the best places ever to talk about Web3 technology with other intelligent people like yourselves. Remember, if it's something that you don't know, once you get educated and you do know, that's how you get comfortable with something. So you don't know it over here, then all of a sudden it's coming across. Now, once you start to learn it and you start to know it, and then you start to use it, and the combination of all of those things help you create that sense of comfortability that you'd be able to use for the rest of your life. So I appreciate your time tonight. If you have any comments, go ahead and leave them down below. I appreciate each and every comment, whether it's positive, negative, or has nothing to do with whatever we're talking about now, and you just want to have a little chat with the old big dog. So go ahead and leave a comment below, give a like, comment, and subscribe. And if anything else comes up, you know where to find me. Holla at me in the DMs. I'm your boy, Mr. Right, and I am out. Y'all have a great night. Stay bullish.